Bullish yearn.finance cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $35,045.76 and $66,197.55 by 2030. Market experts accept YFI could reach $27,257.81 by 2025. Bearish yearn.finance market cost expectation for 2023 is $6,230.36. Yearn.finance presentation. Yearn.finance is an aggregator administration for financial backers in decentralized finance, empowering them to increment yield cultivating profit through mechanization. It intends to improve the always growing DeFi market for non-specialized financial backers or the people who favor less committal connections than proficient brokers. The help, referred to at first as yearn and sent off in February 2020, has had dangerous development throughout recent months as new products have showed up and engineers have delivered the YFI token. In this article, I'll take a gander at some new YFI value expectations and endeavor to gauge where the resources cost may be going from here on out. What makes yearn.finance one of a kind? Yearn.finance is an interesting stage that offers different administrations to its clients. These administrations incorporate yield cultivating, loaning, and marking. Yearn.finance likewise has its local token, YFI, which is utilized to drive the stage and give liquidity to clients. YFI tokens can be traded on different trades. What compels yearn.finance stand apart from different stages in the space is its emphasis on conveying worth to its clients. The group behind yearn.finance has made a framework that permits clients to boost their profits via consequently putting their assets in the most productive conventions that anyone could hope to find. This framework has been extraordinarily effective up until this point and has assisted yearn.finance with becoming one of the main stages in the space. Something else that makes yearn.finance one of a kind is its obligation to decentralization. The stage uses a few decentralized innovations, including brilliant agreements, which assists with guaranteeing that there is no weak link. This decentralized model has drawn in numerous clients searching for an option in contrast to customary unified monetary establishments. A key element that makes yearn.finance extraordinary is its emphasis on yield cultivating. This is a cycle by which clients stake their crypto resources from their crypto wallet to procure prizes from partaking in different conventions. By marking their resources, clients can give liquidity to these conventions and procure a portion of their expenses. Yearn.finance current cost. There are a couple of key factors that are driving YFI's cost higher. To start with, yearn.finance has turned into the main stage for yield cultivating, a popular better approach to procure interest on digital currencies. Because of yearn.finance, yield cultivating has become a lot simpler and more open for normal financial backers, prompting a flood popular for YFI tokens. Second, the DeFi blast has prompted a blast popular for local tokens like YFI. As an ever-increasing number of clients run to decentralized finance conventions, the interest for these conventions' local tokens increments. This expanded interest is one of the principal drivers of YFI's cost rally as of late. Yearn.finance is right now worth $7,787.95 USD. YFI has moved 1.77% as of now with an exchanging volume of $21,202,451. Yearn.finance is right now positioned 122 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $276,481,889 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for yearn.finance to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous yearn.finance market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Yearn.finance value forecast 2023. Yearn.finance, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The YFI cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $11,681.92. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $10,903.13 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. YFI is supposed to have a base worth of $9,345.54. Yearn.finance value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Yearn.finance YFI cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of YFI will before long outperform $19,469.87. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the YFI's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, YFI will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $15,575.89 and a typical exchanging cost of $17,133.48. Yearn.finance value expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $27,257.81 and YFI might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. YFI is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $24,921.43 and a low of $23,363.84 in 2025. Yearn.finance value expectation 2026. Assuming yearn.finance effectively supports market feeling among digital money lovers, the YFI coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, YFI will be green in 2026. The YFI is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $35,045.76, with a base cost of $31,151.79 and a typical cost of $32,709.38. Yearn.finance value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the YFI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $40,497.32 by 2027, with a base cost of $38,939.73 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, YFI has a most extreme value worth of $42,833.71. Yearn.finance value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $48,285.27. On the off chance that YFI figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $50,621.65. Neglecting to assemble the help YFI needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $46,727.68. Yearn.finance value forecast 2029. While YFI is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $54,515.63 and a yearly cost close above $58,409.60 in 2029. Yearn.finance value forecast 2030. By 2030, Yearn.finance will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $62,303.57 and possibly a